Mondays. Look at that little happy turkey. Alright, yeah, you want to record? Forgot. Yeah, you're recording. Okay. So welcome, guys. Have another turkey update. I meant chicken update.
Bird update.
Bird update. Along with bunnies. Anyways, what happened to the house?
The rabbits destroyed it.
Rabbits, you retards. Rabbits, retards. That's what we're going to call them. Oh yeah, you can get him down anytime you'd like.
He's good. He's gonna chill.
Okay.
He's big too.
Alright, so I guess I could catch one of our newest. Or not.
Those are small ones.
Yeah.
That's what the turkey was.
Oh yeah.
You gotta tell him.
Okay, so the turkey without the leg, he ended up dying. We don't know. We're not sure how. My guess would be he just like wasn't able to get to the water or something, or he just like his heart got tired of the pain and just kind of like died.
He's under that.
Yeah, he's under that barrel. We would just like kind
We'll
of
move him later.
Yeah.
We'll move him later.
Yeah, we'll move him later.
But this is the white turkey, and then
Oh dang! Look, chicken fight club.
Yes, chicken fight club.
Chicken fight.
got caught. And then the rabbits.
Hey, rabbit.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh, chickens!
Hey, so Clover?
She's pregnant. She's pretty bad pregnant.
So we can get Clover.
You better not eat them baby rabbits. Better not eat those rabbits.
Ah!
Did you kick in here?
It hurts.
Hey, why are you so mean?
It really hurts.
You used to be so nice. Let's take them out in the. Take them out over here. These are just start laying eggs pretty soon.
Oh, I thought you were talking about the rabbit.
Oh, just some of the cage. Well, let's get a shot before it gets Oh my god, I forgot about the turkey.
This is so stupid. Is it still recording?
Yeah. Look at him. It's like,
It's okay, I'll catch you.
he'll poop on you. He's like, earlier I put him up there and kept pooping. Look how big he is.
He has no idea how to get down. He was like, help me.
He's like, not again.
Not this again. Dude, look, hold on.
He's a male.
Chicken trapping with Taylor. So all you have to do, apparently, leave the trap open. And the idiots just walk on in.
No, don't get on your food.
Retards.
There's no roosters. That's pretty sad.
Oh, really?
They're all hens. I might get it.
Oh, this is bun trapping. What's that?
I might get a hen from Cody. Oh my god! I don't think I got that.
Did you really not?
I probably got like a little.
Hold on. Is it like still filming?
It's probably going. It's like a little bit of turkey.
Boy, okay, good. It's so. Oh my god.
Oh, that's a better picture, like video.
Oh my god. Freaking ninja turkey come out of nowhere.
We'll be back with part 2 with the chicks that are still in the house.
No, ooh, yeah, we're gonna try and get some chickens, like some bantams, so we can show you guys. All right, bye guys. Okay, guys, so we've got the fuzzies. Well, they're bantams, but they've got fuzzy boots. Fuzzy boots, fuzzy boots.
Pick me.
So anyways, guys, I haven't really checked up on my YouTube channel in a while. This is just my kind of thing of saying thank you guys for the support. The Americanas and the turkeys are in there. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at his face. Yeah, he's so sweet. Oh yeah, and his little fuzzy boots. That's what we call them, fuzzy boots. But anyways, guys, so thank you very much. The Americanas, we might get a shot at this. If we can, we will. But guys, I'm just gonna well, now that you saw the now that you've seen them, we're gonna go try and get the Americanas, guys. But just in case it's the last video, thank you guys, and I'll see you later. Bye.
Look what we've caught here.
Oh yeah, we got ourselves some freshly grown chickens.
Oh gosh. And our chicken tray.
And
Look how pretty that thing is.
then look at the one that's poop smeared.
Okay. And we didn't clean out the cage actually.
I can't believe we came back
Should we show the turkey?
from the bantams. Yeah, we should.
Nah, that's graphic.
Oh, you mean the yeah. No, but we came back from the bantams, and then there they were. Idiots. Alright, so you ready to go find some
There's a little turkey.
Let's find them.
Are you in there?
Well, Americanas. No. I'm telling
A quick
you,
little view of the babies.
I think they're in
Yeah, they're probably in the little cubbies.
So here, I'll go to the cookies. You go in there. Or do you want? Oh yeah.
Yeah, I think you need to scare them out so we can get like a little video of them coming out.
Okay, well, we'll be back, guys.
And action.
Yeah! Oh, come on. Do I really know that? That's it, I'm coming in. But, do you like it or not? Yeah!
Who's around
Get out! Come on! Go! Run! Run! Go! Get out! Grab one, Carter!
Oh, grab one. Yep.
I'm on my way out the door.
Excuse me, little turkey. Oh, this one. Oh, dang it. They're going back in. They're going back in.
Oh, dang it.
Just need to wait for them to.
Oh, yeah, you little chickens.
I got one. I got one. Spring out the sun. Look how pretty these things are. These are like colorful eggs when they get older. I can pour this first.
Oh yeah, more with Connor
Hold
Shelter.
it.
Keeping hoping of chicken. So how you gonna want to prepare
Be
this
careful.
chicken?
Be careful. Okay. Oh crap! We need to get rid of the take the chickens out. Probably should have.
So I'll kind of like.
Go free, you darn chickens. Get out of her. Get out of her. Come on, get out. Apparently he's not dumb. He got away from you.
Come here, chicken. Come here, chicken. No.
Chicken, be careful with them, dang.
I'm trying not to squeeze it or wring its neck. Come here, stupid.
He just wants to be reunited with his. Ah! Hit my hand with a stick.
Stupid.
He's not stupid.
I said business.
Got it. All right, hold it again. Just very gentle.
This time
Very
I let him
gentle.
go. Oh my god.
All right,
Hey.
there he is. He's pretty pretty. He's pretty pretty. Let's get a close up from his feathers.
This is actually pretty feathery.
Should I take him back to his little friends?
Nah.
Take him back.
Come on, should we give him the initiation?
No, we shouldn't. He's too small. He's too small.
Yeah, yeah.
He can't even reach it.
Here, we'll give him the smaller size. Oh my gosh! Smaller sized initiation.
He's like, all right, let's put him on the ground. He'll find his family. There's his family.
Take your son.
That's the wrong family.
Take it. Take it.
That's the wrong family. It's over here. That's Americana right there.
Oh, that's Americana?
Yeah, they're in the rabbit food. They're in the rabbit food. Just drop them.
Take your daddy. Oh look, there's so much friends. Alright, now let's catch a bug. Alright, bugs, I'm not even under that bug.
You're so stupid.
Alright, so should we end the
Look how
episode?
stupid this chicken is. You can't even get.
Should we end the episode?
Yes, we are going to end it with
Alright, guys.
Taylor.
Oh!
Oh, you gotta dance, Taylor. Come on, you gotta dance.
Woo! I found this one. Now hold down.
Come on, we gotta dance together now.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, freaking spiky plants. Oh, thorns.
Get off. Alright, guys. So, this is what remains of our turkey.
All right, put it back up. That's all we're gonna show. 10 seconds of it.
Hey, guys. So, I already got some new fishies. There's some catfish.
This is the best one.
Yeah, that's the best one. He's pretty. The other ones I like to call whiskers.
We got 2 plecos.
Yeah, here's the other one. The other plecos right here.
Oh, the other ones with.
Yeah. They're not fancy. They're just kind of showfish. And he got another one. Where is it? Or not another pleco, but not a fish. Oh, there he is. There's a little booger.
You got a little red-tailed shark in there.
Yeah, he's cool. He looks like he has like one of those little French mustaches. That's cool.
So I just wanted to show you that real quick.
Yeah, guys. Well,
Signing off.
well, hold on.
With
Well,
Taylor.
I'll see you guys later. Thank you for all the support. And please remember to smash the like button. And if I can reach 5 subscribers, put some of the Carters. Carter will have a Nerf battle while I'm sitting in that thing. Whoop, whoop. All right, let's go, guys. Bam, bye.
Show me.